Topic 10, actual test, over 10.3 to 10.6. This is type A. Question number 1. In simplest form, what is 11/12 minus 5/12? So in simplest form, it means you're going to have to reduce what is 11/12 minus 5/12. Is it 6/12, 1/2, 6 over 0, or 16 over 10? Number 3. Eduardo has 3/8 meters of felt to make a banner for the chess club. He sews an additional 5/12 meter onto the banner. What is the length of the banner now? So Eduardo started with 3/8 meters of felt to make a banner, and he sews an additional 5/12 onto the banner. What is the length of it now? Is it 19 over 48, 2 over 5, 1/2, or 19 over 24? Okay. Number 4. Ira's puppy weighed 3/4 of a pound. His kitten weighed 1/5 of a pound. What is the total weight of Ira's 2 pets? So the puppy weighed 3/4 pound and the kitten weighed 1/5 pound. What is the total weight of the 2 pets? Is it 1 9/20, 4 9ths, 11/20, or 19/20? Number 5. Carla is filling her scrapbook with photographs. In April, she filled 1/4 of the scrapbook. In May, she filled another 1/6 of the scrapbook. How much more of the scrapbook did she fill in April? So in April, she filled 1/4 of the scrapbook, and then in May, she filled 1/6. How much more did she fill in April than in May? Is it 1/3, 1/12, 5/24, or 5/12? Number 6. The normal body length of a rock wren is 1/2 foot. For a winter wren, it is 1/3 foot. How much longer is the rock wren than the winter wren? Again, the rock wren is 1/2 foot for its body length. The winter wren is 1/3 of a foot. How much longer is the rock wren than the winter wren? Is that 1/3, 5/6, 1/6, or 3/8? Number 9. How long does it take to drive from Minneapolis to Chicago through Green Bay? So from Minneapolis to Green Bay, it is 4 5/6 for the fraction, in hours to travel by car. And then from Green Bay to Chicago, it's 3 2/3 hours. How long does it take total to go from Minneapolis to Green Bay, stopping in Chicago? A, 1 1/6 hours. B, 7 1/6 hours. C, 8/12 hours. Or D, 8 2/3 hours. Number 10. Tito's puppy gained 2 5/5 pounds last month and 1 1/2 pounds this month. How much did it gain in both months altogether? So in one month it gained 2 2/5 pounds. The second month it gained 1 1/2 pounds. How much does it gain altogether in the 2 months? 3 1/2, 3 1/5, 3 3/7, 3 9/10. Okay, number 11 is straight addition. What is 6 3/7 plus 9 1/2? Number 12. Tyree worked on homework for 2 1/4 hours. Elva worked on homework for 1 3/8 hours. How many more hours did Tyree do his homework than Elva? So again, He worked 2 1/4 hours. She worked 1 3/8 hours. How much more did Tyree work? 7/8, 3/8, 1 1/8, or 1 3/8. Number 15 is straight subtraction. Which fraction equals 11/15 minus 8/15? Which of those is equal to that? A, 1/5, B, 19/15, C, 1/3, or D, 3/10. And the last question. Bernard has 3/8 meters of felt to make a banner for the chess club. He sews an additional 5/12 meter onto the banner. What is the length of the banner now? So he starts with 3/8 meters, he adds 5/12 to it. What is the length of it now when it's all done? 19/48, 2/5, 1/2, and 19/24. Okay.